Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Shiraz Javed Malik, and we are here in our home, away from home, the Masala Mike podcast.
Yeah, I've always wanted fame.
अब अक्सर होता है यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में हमें अलाउड नहीं होता ChatGPT.
Pakistan will make you feel left out because मेरी उर्दू सही नहीं
हाँ,
है,
उर्दू सही नहीं है.
मेरी accent सही नहीं है, मैं बर्गर बच्ची हूँ and all that for them.
आप चलते फिरते अपनी वीडियो को स्टूडियो गिबली की फिल्म में चेंज कर सकते हो जस्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ ये है ChatGPT. अब ये हैशटैग है गिबली AI का, उसके एज ऑफ 2025 जब अभी हम बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे, इट्स ओवर 2.5 बिलियन व्यूज ऑन TikTok.
So it was like a video of my dad just being very like how dad's भूख लग रही है. Hope you got something.
भूख वाला पार्ट बाद में आएगा.
I hope you got
अभी मेन
something
सेगमेंट है.
मसालेदार.
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Shiraz Javed Malik, and we are here in our home, away from home, the Masala Mike podcast. By the way, new logo. This is a show where we talk about meaningful and inspiring stuff with our guests. For today's guest, we have someone who is a brand strategist. She also manages a community of her own. She also has a Young Achiever of the Year runner-up award by Filmfare. Please welcome Miss Ayman Aisha.
Hello.
Hi, Ayman. How are you doing?
I'm so excited to be on the show today.
थैंक यू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यार, आप तो बताएं कि आपका दिन कैसा जा रहा है.
Chaotic, बहुत stressed, and I hate the parking scene in Dubai.
पार्किंग सीन तो बहुत ख़राब है. आई होप नेक्स्ट टाइम अजमान में हो, अगर किसी के साथ भी हो, क्योंकि दुबई में जो है ना पार्किंग सीन हमेशा से ही ख़राब है.
अजमान में parking
सही है, अजमान में ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा है. अजमान में आई लिव इन अजमान.
But the roads are so bad in Ajman.
The roads, that's debatable. Okay. Anyways, चलें अब स्टार्ट करते हैं. Ayman, tell me something about your life. जैसे for example, your life is a book. ठीक है. Ayman Aisha उस बुक का नाम है. उस बुक की आपने समरी देनी है. Give me the summary of the book Ayman Aisha.
First of all, I'd love to see a book, with a biography of myself. You want a summary about myself?
Totally, from the childhood.
Oh, wow. If I were to summarize it, I was born and raised in Dubai, and I was the youngest of 5 siblings. Very spoiled, always got what I needed if I threw a tantrum, if I look at my early childhood. Did see a lot of struggles amongst my parenthood and surroundings. Didn't have much connection, only with the one who I have less age gap with. So everyone kind of did their own thing. I made and carved my own bubble and my own universe and my own world. And in the midst of it all, I kind of didn't have much time for family time, tried to figure out my own belonging in this world. It's a huge summary. It looks like we're going to the book.
Yeah.
I've always been a very creative person since my early childhood. I always wanted to do something. If you go back to the early days, I would be recording something or the other on my phone with your Nokia phones, pretending like I'm in a show.
उसमें एक कैमरा होता था?
No, I don't think so. It was just a recording. I think I've always wanted fame, and I've always kind of wanted to be known and well known. Mm-hmm. So, it's hard to summarize your life in a page.
Obviously, it is. यार, आप different industries में काम करते हो. How do you adapt your creative strategy? How do you manage to work in so many different spaces?
It's hard because there are certain spaces that I really can't think of how to make it creative, like real estate or like shipping and logistics. I don't know how to make those spaces creative, but other marketers can tackle that. They can do that. It's just not my cup of tea, just because my brain is not wired to work for those. Adapting, well, I take the brief at first from whatever client it is. I go and do my research. And AI is also your best friend these days to help you with research as
Obviously.
well.
Yeah.
I don't want us to feel like we're handicapped. I mean, I do my research on social media, try to find similar industries. And Pinterest is also a great tool you can use for ideas. So, yeah, like honestly, keeping a lookout for competitors in the space. And even if it's not the same industry, you can see if a really good idea has been executed and can I implement it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think that's how I adapt.
मैंने इस कन्वर्सेशन के बाद रियलाइज़ किया है कि हमारा रैपिड फायर में हमें बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है.
Woo, let's go.
एनीवेज, अच्छा, यू टॉक्ड अबाउट चैट जीपीटी. अब अक्सर होता है यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में हमें अलाउड नहीं होता चैट जीपीटी, इवन दो होते हैं कुछ स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं कि चैट जीपीटी को वो यूज़ करते हैं, लेकिन कुछ होते हैं बस क्रिएटिविटी के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. दे गेट द आइडिया फ्रॉम इट एंड देन प्रोसीड टू डू देयर असाइनमेंट्स और एनीथिंग दे वांट टू डू. व्हाट डू यू थिंक, शुड वी यूज़ चैट जीपीटी या फिर इतना रिलाई नहीं करना चाहिए चैट जीपीटी पे?
If you're short on time, you can use AI, but I feel like people are getting smarter and they know that this caption, this idea is probably from AI.
No, the thing is, I'm like, do you think it is ethical? That's the
Nothing
point.
in this world is ethical, to be honest. Like, even when you, as a content creator, are selling your services and doing an execution of an idea, you're also getting inspired from someone else's work.
Yeah.
And you're copying that and adapting it. Is that ethical? Because, I mean, you haven't used ChatGPT in that sense, but you're
Yeah.
still seeing someone else's work. So, yeah, I think in business and I mean, I can be a strong advocate and be like, yeah, you should do things ethically, but like, I feel like in some ways you kind of, you can't get around it.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Anyways, when we were talking on calls, you mentioned you had meetings before as well, before the shoot as
yes, Yes.
Can you tell us what a day in the life of marketing strategist look like? Take us through a day in the life of Eamon.
Okay, so a day in my life is never the same. You can't say like, okay, go to an office and this is my 9 to 5 and this is like I'm probably sending out emails. Every day is unique. Every day is different. I'm setting my schedules the day before or the night before. I don't know if I'm out for a shoot or I'm meeting a client that I, want to discuss about planning for their content, or I'm meeting a lead that I want to close as a new client. Yeah. So that's kind of what my structure of my days look like today. Like, I think I met 2 leads and just had discussions of what they're lacking, what I can support them as, and another second, and each client or lead is unique. Some of them are working with marketing teams and I'm coming as a substitute to actually enhance their marketing, or some of them are just they don't have any marketing support.
Yeah.
Sometimes I also try to integrate creating content for my blog. So that's also how I make a lot of short money. Example, like I've just closed in a deal for a modeling gig for UGC content. So yeah, like I also accommodate that in my days.
As a Pakistani living in UAE, how do you think the culture here influences you?
To be honest, like if you are born and raised here, you're a third culture kid. You're a mix of both worlds. I feel like I'm more local than I am Pakistani sometimes, but I do love my Pakistani side. To be honest, like this, I don't know if I feel too impacted because it's a melting pot of cultures. I'm not too impacted by the local Emirati culture, just because I don't know the language. We studied it in school, but I can't say I'm an Emirati. I do enjoy that it is a Muslim country.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So अगले क्वेश्चन का I think partially जवाब तो आपने दे दिया है, but I'll ask you this again. Do you feel more Pakistani in UAE or more UAE in Pakistan?
Okay. I don't know how to answer this. I do feel more Pakistani in Pakistan. I don't feel, but This is hard. This is hard. Like, because it's a tongue twister, right? Like, do I feel
Yeah.
more UAE in Pakistan? Pakistan will make you feel left out because मेरी उर्दू सही नहीं
हाँ,
है,
उर्दू सही नहीं है.
मेरी accent सही नहीं है, मैं burger बच्ची हूँ, and all that for them. So you will feel like you don't belong there. But I do I do enjoy wearing my Pakistani clothes.
Yeah.
It's
Totally.
just that utna baithna mahol mein, like they will make you feel a little bit. The locals will make you feel left out.
Yeah.
And then
That happens with every one of us.
yeah, but I think over time you can blend in with the Pakistani culture.
True.
And with UAE, do I feel more Pakistani here? Not at all. I don't think because I don't get to wear my shalwar kameez every day here. I mean, the weather doesn't permit, first of all. And it's kind of like unusual to wear it, right? Like you feel like kahan se utke aa gayi hai kind of vibe. So you have to look a little bit professional. Yeah, I don't think many people wear Pakistani clothes here.
Yeah.
And I feel like Pakistanis are just, they are there, but like, where are they?
Yeah.
You know, I'm like, I really want to connect with them.
Yeah. True. Acha, Ayman, coming back to your media career, was there a specific project जिससे लगा कि this is what I want to do? अगर कोई स्टोरी है इसके पीछे तो please tell us.
I don't know if there was a specific project that made me feel like I love what I do, because from time to time, if I work on a great project, if I get recognized for it and get appreciate from my clients, I love that feeling. There was one time that my field of work made me fly out to Qatar.
Okay.
And meet a lot of influencers there and set up the marketing agencies there for a brand that was expanding there.
Yeah.
So there are sides to marketing that can actually open doors you never thought were, there for you. And just marketing has so many other spectrums. So just traveling was something like I really enjoyed. I'm like, I can do this part of my job.
Yeah. You have spoken a lot about something many of us don't talk about. हो सकता है काफ़ी लोग इस तरह करते भी हैं लेकिन they do not talk about openly online, sharing your space.
Yeah.
How do you think living in a shared space contributed to you in terms of जो boundaries आपकी होती हैं या जो भी आपका patience वगैरह है?
First of all, I felt like there was just so much embarrassment tied to this for the longest time, because you don't want to show yourself at that way. It is also hard to like do a lot of things in a shared space. Alhamdulillah, I found a really good roommate. So, we respect each other's boundaries. Living and sharing is literally like a formal roommate, or you can say you're living with your sibling, but it's very formal.
Yeah.
That
must be a nice feeling.
Yeah, a nice feeling.
Finding a sibling and outsider, उस चीज़ में.
They're still not your sibling at the end of the day.
They're
yeah,
not.
it's just a formal agreement.
Yeah.
But then I've been living and sharing for over a year now. I lived with my family until I moved out. And I do miss having my own space. But you can also find that living and sharing adds on to you feeling less alone.
Yeah.
You have shared expenses. I love that if I buy like a mop, I can be like, let's split the bill for this mop. So yeah, it has its pros and cons. And I know it is a period that like I would encourage anyone to go through, because it actually helped me grow up more than I did in the last like 27 years.
Yeah. अच्छा, अगर हम कल बोलते हैं कि आपके पास सोलो स्पेस है एंड व्हाट वुड यू मिस, लाइक वो सोलो स्पेस में वो चीज़ नहीं होगी जो कि एक शेयर्ड स्पेस में है रहते हुए, व्हाट वुड यू मिस अबाउट योर रूममेट स्पेसिफिकली?
Sometimes she can ground me and be like, इसमें खर्ची ना करो. Like, I think खर्चा, yeah, खर्चा ना करो, इस पे खर्चा ना करो, or like I don't know, it's like you're coming home to someone. you
Yeah.
know, platonically, if you don't have your spouse or you're not married or anything.
Yeah.
You're coming home to a friend. But again, like, um, pros and cons.
Yeah. Acha, what's it like being a female entrepreneur in UAE?
It's not easy. There are a lot of sharks out there. Yeah, there are female-owned agencies as well. I felt like very intimidated in the
Yeah.
in the beginning, because they've carved their space, obviously, and but there's plenty of fish in the sea for everyone. You just kind of have to have an abundance mindset when are a female entrepreneur. And yeah, I haven't really felt like I don't belong in a space or anything. You just kind of wear your best coat, some lip gloss, and just go into a meeting with confidence.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think people really want to support the story of someone, and each individual is unique. So yeah.
या अच्छा, एक हाथ पे आपके पास फिल्म फेयर रनर अप का टाइटल है
Yeah.
और दूसरे हाथ पे मुझे ये भी पता है कि अ लॉट ऑफ अचीवर्स दे स्ट्रगल थ्रू दिस फेज इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम.
Yeah.
व्हाट डू यू इफ स्टिल फील द सेम एज दोज अचीवर? कि आपको भी इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम होता है?
I have imposter syndrome on a regular basis. Like when people on my blog, they message me, they're like, you know, you're someone I look up to. And I'm like, me? Like, I just have 13,000 followers and you look up to me? You know, or people going like, I'm rooting for you to do well in life.
Yeah.
Like, I'm banking on that. I'm like, wow, this
I
person.
think they are clicking with your content.
Yeah, they're clicking with the content. There's, you know, supporters. They just want you to be successful and make it. So sometimes, like, even though I'm like, I don't know if I'll ever make it. Sometimes I'm like, I want them to see that this person made it, because it kind of motivates them. You know, it's like seeing Ronaldo and following his journey. You're like, I want Ronaldo to get that award, you know? So I think sometimes I just do it for the fans, you can say, for my following.
That's great to know. यार, लोगों को ना अक्सर मैंने देखा है, मुझे खुद भी, अगर कहीं मैं ब्रांड किसी को देख रहा हूँ तो मुझे ब्रांड के पीछे बंदे को जानना है कि बंदा कौन है. मुझे सिर्फ ये नहीं देखना कि व्हाट्स द ब्रांड. व्हाट एडवाइस वुड यू गिव समवन कि जो बंदा कोई अपना ब्रांड शुरू कर रहा है?
Honestly, it's hard because I need to understand what their goal is. Today I met like an entrepreneur that was like, I don't want to show myself in front of the camera.
Yeah.
He wants to separate himself and the brand, maybe because he ultimately wants to sell the brand.
Yeah.
And but I feel like Instagram statistics are shifting towards emotional connection. People want to support founders, they want to support the storyline, they want to know the journey, and I think that's how you can stand out.
Yeah. Let's talk about this trend that has been going on. The Ghibli trend.
Yeah.
आप चलते फिरते अपनी वीडियो को स्टूडियो गिबली की फिल्म में चेंज कर सकते हो जस्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ AI, चैट जीपीटी. अब हैशटैग है गिबली AI का, उसके एज ऑफ 2025 जब अभी हम बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे, इट्स ओवर 2.5 बिलियन व्यूज ऑन टिकटॉक.
Okay.
कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स भी इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं इसको और मतलब काफ़ी फेमस हुआ है. बट ऑन दी अदर हैंड आर्टिस्ट कहते हैं नहीं भाई, ये दिस इज़ नॉट आर्ट, या जो भी काफ़ी कुछ कह रहे हैं
There's
इसके
a lot
बारे
of controversy on
में. बहुत
it.
ज़्यादा कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है. मैं डेली बेसिस पे ये देखता भी हूँ. फिर मुझे गिल्टी फील होता है, यार मैंने भी गिबली AI का बनाया है, अपना आर्ट बनाया है, अपनी पिक्चर बनाई है गिबली AI से. सो एम आई रॉन्ग? सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस कंट्रोवर्सी दैट हैज़ बीन गोइंग ऑन?
What do I think about this trend? There are two sides to it, because I understand how artists are feeling. You know, maybe their jobs are going, they're feeling intimidated by it. They also feel like, listen, like the artist spent years perfecting his art, and then suddenly AI comes in and just, you know,
हाँ,
does
वो
it.
कहते हैं ना कि AI के पास फीलिंग नहीं होती. गिबली AI या जो के पास फीलिंग नहीं है, AI के पास बेसिकली फीलिंग नहीं है,
Yeah.
आर्ट में फील होती है.
Okay.
बट वी डोंट थिंक कि AI वो फील बना सकता है. AI डज नॉट हैव अ सोल.
Yeah.
ये हैयो मियाज़ाकी कुछ उस तरह का करके नाम था उनका, उनने बोला था.
I don't know. I just look at it from a marketing's point of view. The thing is, like, people who did not know Studio Ghibli know it now because of the trend.
Yeah.
You know, and again, like, I have a very marketing mindset. Like, people are going to go and watch the animations also.
Yeah.
They're probably going to encourage a new generation of people to follow.
Follow what Studio Ghibli was.
Yeah,
back then.
but yeah, it's just like, like moving the legacy forward. Instead of killing the legacy.
Yeah.
So yeah, like I just look at it from a different point of view. Everyone has their different take on it.
Yeah.
And and honestly, like I know, like, people are like, I didn't try the trend when it was in the hype. I just did mine a day before,
Yeah.
you know. So
मैंने तो हाइप में ही बना लिया था और मुझे हर बंदा मैसेज करके कर रहा है तुम क्या कर रहे हो ये.
were they finding it offensive?
Some people were.
Okay.
मतलब कुछ लोग they are enjoying. They were like मुझे भी बना के दो, हमसे बन नहीं रहा था. Because in the start when this thing was new, ChatGPT free users के लिए नहीं बना रहा था. तो मुझे मेरे दोस्त मैसेज कर रहे थे या कुछ दूसरे लोग भी मैसेज कर रहे थे कि प्लीज़ कैन यू मेक इट फॉर मी एज वेल.
Yeah.
और कुछ लोग मुझे कह रहे थे क्या कर रहा है यार ये तू.
Yeah. A lot of creators and bloggers were the first to jump on the trend, and they also got a lot of backlash.
आई थिंक कोई भी
on
नई
it.
चीज़ आती है ना वो क्रिएटर्स ही फेमस करते हैं. बिकॉज
Yeah.
हु डू वी फॉलो क्रिएटर्स. तो ये वो चीज़ भी आ जाती है. अगर क्रिएटर ने कर दिया, लोग देख रहे हैं इसने किया, अब मैं भी करूँगा.
You know, it's tricky because also we're not thinking about the practicality on how it's offending some people, because we just want to hop onto the trend. Like,
Yeah.
as a marketer who's representing a lot of clients,
Yeah.
I want to hop on the trend because, again, it will give me virality and views for my client. So there's a lot of different opinions about it, and mine will always be backing the marketing. Like, I think there's a lot of beauty in it as well. So yeah.
एनीवेज इसका यार मैं पढ़ भी रहा था, इसका एक आर्टिकल पढ़ रहा था. ओपन एआई के सीईओ ने बोला था कि गाइस प्लीज चिल, स्टॉप,
Yeah.
आवर सर्वर्स आर मेल्टिंग. और मज़े की बात है उसके बाद द नंबर्स ऑफ दिस थिंग इट इंक्रीज्ड. वो कम नहीं हुए थे, ज़्यादा हो गए थे. इट वाज अ स्मार्ट मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी बाय
Yeah,
द
for
सीईओ.
sure, for sure.
और उसके बाद ज़्यादा हो गए थे और आई थिंक उसके बाद ही हाइप में ज़्यादा आया था. स्टार्ट में इतनी ज़्यादा hype
Imagine
नहीं
how
थी.
many sales ChatGPT had after this.
Yeah, क्योंकि उनने वो स्टार्ट में रखा भी पेड पे था.
Yeah,
And people bought it actually just to try this.
that's pretty cool.
Yeah, exactly. Acha, is it possible for someone to grow online without losing themselves?
To be honest, I feel like everyone is playing a character online.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, in the beginning they are themselves. Some people might do really well being themselves, but some people have to play a character.
Yeah, how do you protect your mental peace? कभी burned out नहीं होते feel?
I personally feel burnt out constantly. Like, I start hating the craft of creating content. I start, like, because I do it for a living and then I have to do it for my blog. And then when you are at, like, example, at a staycation or you're in a family gathering,
Yeah.
you're like, do I capture this? Because I don't know. Sometimes when I'm out with my friends and they're like, यार हम ये restaurant कितना अच्छा था, तुमने picture भी नहीं ली, video भी नहीं ली. I'm like, no, I don't want to feel like I need to capture everything.
Eamon, आपने ना एक रील शेयर की थी रमज़ान में.
Yeah.
बहुत खूबसूरत सी थी और उसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा मतलब मैंने देखा था एंड आई वाज लाइक यार नहीं, अल्लाह किसी को इस तरह का मौका ना दिखाए. बट दैट वाज क्यूट एज वेल. अल्लाह उनको जन्नत नसीब करे. इट वाज अबाउट योर
Ameen.
फादर
Yes.
एंड वो लोगों तक पहुंची थी यार. और काफ़ी मैंने कमेंट्स भी देखे थे, पॉजिटिविटी फैला रहे थे. तो हाउ डू यू फील आफ्टर लूजिंग हिम?
I don't know about positivity.
बिकॉज मैं बताता हूँ, आई डोंट थिंक समवन शेयर्स दीज थिंग्स ऑनलाइन और इतना ओपन अपने लॉस के बारे में. वो लोग कहते हैं
Yeah.
नहीं ये छुपाने की चीज़ है,
Yeah.
इस पे तो आपको मतलब छुपाना चाहिए, क्या दिखा रहे हो. अच्छा, वो ये नहीं कहते कि अपना मतलब यू आर जस्ट कैजुअली शेयरिंग योर कंटेंट. लोग कहते हैं कि नहीं ये दिखावा कर रहे हैं, इवन इन सच सैड सिचुएशन. तो हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट दैट? और आपको क्या मतलब पॉजिटिविटी ज़्यादा आई थी? मेरे ख्याल से तो आई थी, मैंने देखी थी. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस?
So it was like a video of my dad just being very like how dads are like,
Yeah.
you know, out of their way, bringing you food and taking care of you and being selfless, you know.
Yeah.
I had shared this video multiple times in the past.
I remember आपने एक story पे भी share की थी. That was a different video about your dad.
Yeah, I have been sharing about my dad over the years just because I was a daddy's girl. And I think his loss really impacted me because I didn't think I would lose him.
No one deserves to lose.
Yeah, no one deserves to lose a parent. But also, like, I think we are coming to that age that they are getting older.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes I look at my sister, I'm like, by the time your kids get older, like by the time my nieces and nephew get older, I'm like, we're going to have wrinkles.
Yeah.
You know, and that's the sad reality that we are not actually preparing ourselves for. I think this was the journey I had to go on, and it really shaped me and maybe you could say matured and helped me grow up in ways that I never thought I would. In terms of the video, I don't know about positivity. Like a lot of people could relate with it. They were like, you know, like our dad is the same way, but also a lot of people got triggered and they were bringing up their daddy issues in the comments. So
They're the worst.
Yeah, yeah.
They're the worst. यार मैं पता है क्या सोचता हूँ इस बारे में. मैं थोड़ा सा मतलब एज में छोटा था ना, तो मुझे लगता था नहीं यार ये क्या करते हैं हमारे लिए. बट व्हेन आई ग्रू अप आई अंडरस्टूड व्हाई दे डिड व्हाट दे डिड. वो आपको समझाने के लिए करते हैं और वो आपका अच्छा चाहते हैं. योर पेरेंट्स ऑलवेज वांट गुड फॉर यू. देयर इज नो पेरेंट हु वांट बैड फॉर यू. मे बी होंगे बट बहुत कम.
I know a lot of the generation I am in feel like, you know, their parents are very annoying. They constantly keep calling them or keep tabs on
वो
them.
क्या है, वो प्यार है वो उनका यार.
Yeah, like, you know, like, and I'm just like, wow, like, I right now, I'm like, I've never gotten a call from my mom only because I've lost both of my parents.
Yeah.
You miss the littlest things. You miss that, oh, okay, I don't have to report to anyone and tell them how my well-being is. You know, it's something you need to kind of value. I know it's annoying, but also know that you wouldn't be where you are today without them if the sacrifices they didn't take. You are their DNA, and yeah.
यार मैं पॉडकास्ट के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा था. आई लर्नड यू लॉस्ट बोथ ऑफ देम इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट स्पैन.
Yes.
हाउ डिड इट शेप यू, या क्या चेंजेस आए हैं आपकी ज़िंदगी में इस चीज़ से?
To be honest, I felt so numb, and I feel like because I was the youngest of 5 siblings, I feel like I didn't know much of my mom because she was a breadwinner.
Yeah.
And by the time I was in my early 20s, I lost her. I feel like in your 30s is the time when you are starting to get married and have kids, and you're sitting down and like, अच्छा अम्मी अब्बू अपनी ज़िंदगी के बारे में बात करें मेरे साथ.
Yeah.
30s are when you actually like go like, let me sit down with my mom and dad. Let me go and be like, ये recipe कैसे करते हैं? मैं how do I train my kids to do so and so? And it's like the time you're settling and you need them, you know, as figures. Whereas early 20s are the time you're building your career, running away from parents, you know, all those responsibilities. So when I did lose them, I tried to learn a lot about grief. I did a lot of grief therapy from a therapy center called Lighthouse. They do still grief therapy in groups, just because society was like, this is how you should and shouldn't grieve. And I was like, who are you to tell me how I
There are no one
should?
to tell you.
Yeah.
There are no one to tell anyone how they should grieve. हर एक का अपना तरीका होता है.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think sharing such content जैसे आपने किया था, sharing your grief is also a part of building a community? इस चीज़ से community build की जा सकती है?
I'm still figuring it out because I share it in little pieces, not too much, because I feel like people like to gravitate towards positivity and a dream. Everyone's life is somehow like hard, you know, somehow everyone's
हर
going
इंसान
through.
अपनी मुश्किल झेल रहा है.
हाँ, हर बंदा कुछ ना कुछ, they're going through something. They want to escape to social media to get a distraction. And I don't want to, like, I really wanted my content to be like part of my parents, you know, how it's shaped me and grief and helping people. But then like it's a hit or miss, you know. Even the video I shared about my dad, it's on 500,000 views, you know.
Yeah.
I've shared about my dad so many times. This is the first time in years he has gone viral. Okay, and because the editing style was a little bit different,
Yeah. Editing style जो है ना काफ़ी उसमें वो करता है.
it can be an impact on the storytelling.
Yeah. What do you hope people take away from the way like, you talk about them? या उनसे बात करती हो जब.
I don't know. I'm just sharing my grief. It's also helping me heal. But I've heard my friends go like, you know, I'm sorry to say this, but after the more you talked about it, it strengthened my relationship with my parents.
Yeah.
You know, because I talked about it. Or it also gave them a space that they didn't feel alone when
Yeah.
they lost their parent.
Yeah.
You know, because I've had stories that after I lost mine, no one can relate with it unless you lose yours, and I wouldn't wish that on anyone. But when they also felt like they were in the similar situation, they're like, I understand I can relate with you now.
Yeah. छोटा होता तो मैं ऐसा नहीं था, but growing up I realized how important it is to spend time with my parents, with my family. I regularly sit down. ज़्यादा शायद ना भी बैठता हूँ, लेकिन ये है कि कभी कभी बैठ के इस तरह की बातें करते हैं. I share my opinions. My
Yeah.
mom share her opinions. My dad shares his opinions.
Yeah.
और मतलब आपको सुकून मिलता है उनके मतलब जान के, उनकी राय जान के बस कि वो
You
क्या
know,
सोचते हैं.
I'm
एंड
not.
उस चीज़ से मुझे रियलाइज भी हुआ है कि मतलब वो आपका भला ही सोचते हैं. ये जनरेशन आज की
Yeah.
समझती नहीं है.
You know, I don't want to sit around here and be like an advocate for like go and like call your mom and dad up, you know.
Yeah.
I know some people have a very difficult relationship with their parents as well, you know. Like some people are coming from abusive households as well. The only thing is like even like of course like I'm trying to phrase what I'm trying to say. Sorry, give me a minute.
No worries, no worries.
Okay, yeah. So the reason is like, you know, I really think you should have a good relationship with them, even if difficult as per se, like, you know, even if you want to keep it as distant, like to each to their own, you know. But the thing is like, when you are entering your adulthood, you realize that a lot of who you are is because of them. A lot of my therapy traces back to what was my relationship, what was my mom and dad's relationship,
Yeah.
or how was I treated as a kid,
Yeah.
you know. And actually like parenthood really impacts that as well.
Yeah, true. I agree.
And also like you know, in some ways it is important to have a civil relationship with them because like we live in a Pakistani you know culture that utna baithna is basically ammi abbu ke saath. I mean, if I get into it, like how society has just treated me because I don't have my parents around, like we could be here for another podcast show.
Understandable. अच्छा, मैं ज़्यादा emotional part पे नहीं रहूँगा because I know it is hard for you to talk about them
No,
as well.
I would love to talk
I
about
know.
it all day.
But khair. Anyways, let's come back to the part where you are working as an individual in UAE. लोग काफ़ी बात करते हैं कि मतलब यार दुबई में काम कर रहा है, बहुत एक्साइटिंग होगा ये एंड वो, बट जस्ट गेट रियल हाउ डिफ़िकल्ट इट इज़ फॉर अ सोलो क्रिएटर या जो भी हो, अकेले काम शुरू करना दुबई में.
I mean, because I was born and raised here, I can't really be like, oh, I left a country, came here, and I'm setting base. Yeah,
फिर भी मुश्किल तो हुई होगी.
my base was here, so I like familiarity was around me. It was hard because what I'm doing is not what you're taught in uni. You're taught to go and get a job and, you know, fit yourself in a role. So what I'm doing is not conventional. It wasn't taught to me. I had to figure it out. Luckily, like people are, obviously everyone's doing their own thing and looking out for themselves. It's each man to themselves.
Yeah.
But you do come across with people who are supportive.
Yeah.
You know, especially when they know about your struggles and your journey.
हाँ, लेकिन आई थिंक कुछ लोग सपोर्टिव भी होते हैं और कुछ लोग फिर भी दे डोंट केयर. कुछ लोगों में वो इमोशनल जो होता है कैपेबिलिटी नहीं होती कि आप अगले बंदे को समझ सके. दे आर जस्ट लाइक बिजनेस टू बिजनेस, जस्ट टॉक लाइक दैट.
I actually feel like if it all comes down to you giving the first impression as a really good one.
Yeah.
Because like people in Dubai do look at like अच्छी गाड़ी चलाता है, or like, you know, are they able to present themselves well? Like I actually will judge someone by their dressing. It's the sad truth, but like that's the thing.
यार पहले सिर्फ टिकटॉक होता था. टिकटॉक पे हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म कंटेंट बनाते थे. इंस्टाग्राम वर जस्ट पिक्चर्स.
Yeah.
हाउ डू यू फील कि अब इंस्टाग्राम पे भी रील्स आ गई हैं एंड ऑब्वियसली रील से हम अर्न भी कर सकते हैं. हाउ डू यू फील द प्रेशर टू कॉन्स्टेंटली कीप क्रिएटिंग रील्स?
So I started out with creating and going viral on TikTok, you know, and then when Reels came, we shifted platforms because Instagram Reels were really new, and in those days, if you capitalize it, growth was quick.
Yeah.
You could grow your following like overnight. Like it was really, really in the favor.
Yeah. यार पिछले दिन मुझे याद है you know there were news of TikTok ban going all over
In the US.
ट्रम्प के आने से पहले.
हाँ.
उससे पहले फिर जब वो न्यूज़ चल रही थी बैन हो भी गया था कुछ घंटों के लिए आई बिलीव. देयर वाज अ न्यू प्लेटफॉर्म.
Okay.
मुझे वो याद नहीं है बिकॉज मैंने
Is it
बनाया.
X?
No, there was a new platform, entirely new, Chinese
हाँ,
platform.
एक Chinese platform था.
Chinese platform आया था, मैंने उस पर बनाया भी था और मैं देख रहा था लोग वाकई ही ये चीज़ हो रही थी उनके साथ भी because that was a new platform, easily grow कर रहे थे
The
उधर.
ban was literally like I think maybe a couple of hours or 24 hours.
Yeah, नहीं पॉइंट ये है कि न्यूज़ तो पहले से आ गई थी ना कि बैन होना है तो लोग पहले से शिफ्ट कर रहे थे. इवन आई सॉ इवन बिग क्रिएटर्स, नाम आई थिंक मैं नहीं लेता इधर, बिग क्रिएटर्स शिफ्ट टू दैट प्लेटफॉर्म एज वेल. लेकिन वो कुछ घंटे के अंदर वापस टिकटॉक पे आ गए थे.
Okay.
तो उसमें भी ये चीज़ मैं देख रहा था कि जो है क्रिएटर्स ग्रो कर रहे थे. इट वाज नॉट लाइक कि अब मैं जैसे नया शुरू कर रहा हूँ ग्रो नहीं कर पा रहा.
I honestly think, Shiraz, it's down to your fan following. Your fan following will follow you till the edge of the earth. You know?
It depends on how connected your fans are.
How connected you are with the fans, how much you give back, whatever platform you go to, वो लोग वहाँ तक आ जाएंगे.
Yeah, true. अच्छा चलो अब थोड़े से फन पार्ट पे आते हैं.
Let's
बहुत
go.
बहुत सीरियस बातें कर ली.
भूख लग रही है. Hope you got something.
भूख वाला पार्ट बाद में आएगा.
I hope
अभी
you got
अभी मेन
something
सेगमेंट है.
मसालेदार for me.
अभी मेन सेगमेंट चल रहा है. भूख वाला पार्ट भी बाद में
Yeah,
आएगा.
अभी भूख लगी
अभी
है.
पार्ट खत्म नहीं हुआ.
Okay, fine.
अच्छा चलो मुझे ये बताओ कि फॉर एग्जांपल ये आपको देता हूँ एक फ्री दिन, आपके पास कोई मीटिंग नहीं है, कोई कुछ नहीं है. हाउ वुड यू स्पेंड योर डे?
Wow. I feel like how I would spend my day would be like maybe create some content for my blog.
छुट्टी वाले दिन भी काम करना है.
पता नहीं थोड़ी सी रेस्टलेस फीलिंग होती है ना कुछ करना है उस दिन पे. Maybe I like take a shower, maybe clean my room and then shoot some content. I know यार blog का काम कभी नहीं रुकता.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'll go to my sister's house because she's my only family here. And I'll play with my nephew and have some good lunch because वहाँ खाना मिल जाता है instead of me cooking it. And then yeah, like I'll also check in with my friends if they're up for a chai.
Yeah.
And think that would be like what I'm doing on a day off.
Impressive. अच्छा, we are short on time, तो before moving on to the next segment, I would like to ask you कि you got the award for the Young Achiever of the Year, runner-up.
Yeah.
वो जब पता चला वो feeling कैसी थी? How did it feel? Did it feel like I made it?
So it was a nomination. I just like applied for it. Filmfare was like, you know, we're looking out for a successful woman. And I was like, okay, this year mera agenda tha ki I want to get a lot of awards in my belt.
Yeah.
I know a lot of marketeers, agencies are there, but like you kind of want to stand out from the crowd, right? And bas maine apply kar diya and it was a very seamless process and they were like, hey, you're nominated. If you'd like to know that you won, you'd have to come to the award ceremony. I don't know why I was like 50-50 about it, like because I also didn't like it felt a little sus.
Yeah.
Like whether I'd win it or not because there was no follow-up questions, you know?
Yeah.
And how were the judges judging me? So I just had to get there. It was so far, and I didn't win the thing just because I was competing with someone who was like, I think she was a psychologist or something who won. But it's okay because like these things kind of like you're like,
life. It's part of life.
yeah, and I'm just like, okay, I made it in the big leagues now.
Yeah.
Okay, at least वहाँ तक थोड़ा सा step कर
हो
दिया
गया है ना.
हाँ.
हर चीज ग्रेजुअली आपके पास आती है.
Yeah, and like, and it's an experience.
या ट्रू. एनीवेज मैंने रियलाइज किया यार, चॉकलेट मिल्क आपने बिल्कुल नहीं पिया. अब जरूरत पड़ने वाली है
Okay.
क्योंकि हमारा नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट के टाइम हो गया है. हमारी ऑडियंस को पता है लेकिन इनको पता चलेगा अभी. स्पाइस और साइलेंट. ईमन अच्छा फील कर रही हो?
No. What are you gonna ask me?
अभी और बुरा फील होने वाला है आपको.
What are you gonna ask me? Like, I need to check.
अच्छा जी, हमारी स्पाइस लाई जाए. साथ आज थोड़े से डिश में चेंजेस हैं.
ये स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं था.
स्क्रिप्ट में ये नहीं था, ये हम नहीं रखते.
What is
script में.
this?
ये है shawarma.
Okay, we can have a shawarma.
We can have a shawarma. इस पे हॉट सॉस डली हुई है.
Okay, मुझे ये माइक थोड़ा दूर करना पड़ेगा.
नो वरीज, नो वरीज. थोड़ा सा करीब होके बस बात कर लेना. मैं आप कुछ सवाल आपसे पूछूंगा. इसमें होगा ये, अगर आपको जवाब नहीं देना आपको ये shawarma खाना पड़ेगा.
Oh, okay, fine. That's
You
fine.
can get it ready if you want. Anyways, guys, हमारी डिश आ चुकी है. वो उनके पास पड़ी हुई है. You can see it. ये मेरे हाथ में हॉट सॉस है. ये आप डालेंगी.
Okay.
आपको खाना होगा.
Let's go.
Now I'm gonna ask you the questions. अगर आपको जवाब नहीं देना तो आपको ये खाना पड़ेगा हॉट सॉस डाल के.
Okay, let's go. Shed controversial.
Start ही controversial है. What's one brand you will never work with again? Name it and why.
No, I will not say this publicly because I will actually.
देखा, स्टार्ट ही ऐसा था. स्टार्ट ही ऐसा था.
It's oily instead of spicy.
हॉट सॉस डालें पहले. पहले हॉट सॉस. पहले हॉट
क्या
सॉस.
डाला है इसमें?
पहले हॉट सॉस.
I hope it's a good shawarma.
डाले. दिल खोल के डालें. अपनी हॉट सॉस है यार. थोड़ा और.
You didn't tell me how much to put.
बस ठीक है, काफी है. कोई बात नहीं. Everyone in the studio is on their feet.
You're not. This was so delicious.
This is delicious. ठीक है, बाइट सही से करना है यार.
Okay.
Anyways, what's the worst feedback you ever received? Did it help you? Feedback जो मिली थी वो भी बतानी है. खाना है या बतानी है?
No, I can't say this publicly.
I hope this hits now. खाएं. थोड़ा सा और डाल लेना.
This is what you're. Okay. Go.
Okay. A creator you think is overrated. पहले ये डाले.
No, I can't have that chili.
You have to. या तो आंसर कर दो. चलो आंसर कर दो. A creator you think is overrated.
I can't think. I don't want to name anyone in Dubai.
तो यार खा लो फिर.
Mr. Beast.
अच्छा फिर भी खाना है. You don't have to eat. You don't have to eat if you answer.
Can we skip the next one then?
No.
It's gotten so delicious with the hot sauce.
अच्छा नेक्स्ट वन स्किप करना है. मैं ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ जो स्किप हो सकता है.
You've gotten a really good shawarma for me.
अच्छा, is there a famous person you low-key dislike? कोई बात नहीं है, स्किप कर देते हैं. स्किप हो गया ना.
Trump. Someone in the audience told us Trump. I don't really hate this Trump.
आपने बताना है ना. स्किप करते हैं.
I don't
चलो
hate Trump, yeah.
छोड़ो स्किप करते हैं. ठीक है. Ever hyped up a product online that you personally don't like at all, और वो product क्या था?
I can't talk about that.
Wait.
I'm not gonna have the chili. You know, I'm gonna just.
You have to.
I'm going to
खाओ
eat.
पूरा खाओ. No.
I'm gonna eat through
This
it.
is wrong.
You didn't tell me how to eat the shawarma.
नहीं, हमने आपके लिए स्पेशली बनाया. वो गिर रहा है. You have to eat the chili. This is not how you're gonna do it.
कहाँ से बनाया?
बस वो छोड़ दें.
I'm not gonna eat the chili.
You have to eat the chili. नहीं तो फिर चिलीज ले आऊँ आपके लिए. चिलीज भी हैं. We have the
No,
chilies.
no.
We'll bring the chilies if you're not gonna eat. क्योंकि वो बहुत सारे हैं सारी हैं वो
why
खानी
did I
पड़ेंगी.
agree to this podcast?
You're gonna have a lot of fun. यार एक खुशखबरी बताऊं. सिर्फ एक सवाल रह गया. ऑडियंस में अगर किसी को सवाल बताना बता सकता हूं.
Let's go.
अच्छा जी.
This wasn't challenging enough.
This wasn't challenging enough because मैंने चिली रखी नहीं थी. अगर आप कहती हैं तो लास्ट सवाल
इसमें भी चिली है.
इसमें भी चिली है. चिली ले आऊं? लेके आऊं?
नहीं.
लेके आता हूँ. ले आता हूँ.
Okay, ले आओ.
चलो लास्ट सवाल के लिए हम चिली खाएंगे.
I feel
I'm
like
not gonna
I'm in some, Ramadan show.
I'm not gonna let it go easy.
TV show right now. जो मुझसे challenges होए जा रहे हैं.
ये चैलेंज तो लाजिम था. ये हमारे प्रीवियस गेस्ट से आप पूछ लेना उन्हें कैसा फील होता है. ये आ गई चिली. You can see.
I never. Is this a new segment?
No, this is an old segment.
Because I've never seen your guest have chilies.
मैं आपको बाद में दिखाऊंगा.
Okay, fine.
चलो if सवाल इतना मुश्किल नहीं है तो I don't think चिली खाओगे. If you got offered double the amount to work with someone you don't like, would you take it?
Yes.
सवाल तो इतना मुश्किल है ही नहीं. सवाल वैसे ही खत्म.
Yeah.
खैर इसके लिए एक और सवाल मैं तो कहता सोच लेते हैं.
Okay, fine.
एमन सवाल तो मेरे दिमाग में आ नहीं रहा.
The weirdest DM you've gotten, what was it?
The weirdest DM you have got
Weirdest
from someone
DM.
you know. What was it and who was it from?
Weirdest what?
DM. From who?
यार लड़कों से रोज मिलते हैं मुझसे.
From who? Someone you know and from who?
It's just randoms.
मैंने बोला someone who you know and from who.
No.
कोई ऐसा कभी नहीं
No
हुआ?
one I know
चलो.
sends inappropriate.
I think you had made
बच गई.
you had made the pass through this segment. और
Yes. You tricked
मुझे
me.
अच्छा नहीं लग रहा यार कि गेस्ट मतलब चिली फील किए बगैर जा रहे हैं यहाँ से.
Yes. I mean, I
मुझे
can
बहुत
have
बुरा
it
लग
just.
रहा है.
I can have it just for your,
हाँ, नहीं रख दो.
Okay.
रोना आ जाएगा मैं बता रहा हूँ. Anyways, guys, this is time for our next segment, which is called the rapid fire round. Rapid fire में अच्छा मैं आपको 2 choices दूंगा. आपने एक चूज करनी है. This is social media edition.
Okay.
बीच में कोई भी और सोशल ऐप घुसा दूंगा मैं. उनमें से जो आप चूज करोगी वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड होगी और लास्ट पे जो बचेगी ना दैट वन विंस.
Okay.
ठीक है. इंस्टाग्राम और एक्स.
Instagram.
इंस्टाग्राम और पिंटरेस्ट.
Pinterest.
पिंटरेस्ट और लिंक्डइन.
Wow. I'm on them both.
एक.
I know I'll get more connections through LinkedIn, so LinkedIn.
लिंक्डइन और थ्रेड्स.
Isn't Threads and X the same thing?
थ्रेड्स एंड इंस्टाग्राम आर द सेम थिंग. सिमिलर.
I mean, they just merged.
या.
LinkedIn. Threads मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही क्या है.
लिंक्डइन और चैट जीपीटी.
I feel like every platform has an integration of AI, so LinkedIn.
नाइस एस्केप. लिंक्डइन और स्नैपचैट.
LinkedIn.
स्नैपचैट और यूट्यूब.
Why? I thought I was still carrying forward LinkedIn.
I'm sorry. लिंक्डइन और यूट्यूब.
I do like my serials on YouTube. But I feel like people are like misusing LinkedIn also. Nowadays you can find like dating pictures and stuff. So यार
करना पड़ेगा एक चूज.
LinkedIn करो.
लिंक्डइन करना है. लिंक्डइन और व्हाट्सएप.
I love WhatsApp, man.
आई नो.
WhatsApp's so
Absolutely.
versatile.
व्हाट्सएप के बगैर गुजारा नहीं होता किसी का भी. ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है. रैपिड फायर. व्हाट्सएप विंस.
Whoa. Okay.
सो वी हैव गॉट आवर विनर व्हाट्सएप. अब हमारा लास्ट सेगमेंट आ गया है. द मसाला कम्युनिटी क्वेश्चन सेगमेंट जिसके लिए मैंने आपको टैग किया
Did
था.
you actually get questions from
I
me?
did, I did, I
I'm
did.
so excited. I hope it wasn't Hamad who was just giving questions.
हमाद ने क्वेश्चन दिया था. मैंने वो पूछना नहीं है.
Okay.
वो पूछ भी सकते हैं बट नहीं पूछना. खैर, what inspired you to begin documenting your life online and how did it evolve into building a brand and becoming a semi-finalist for Young Achiever?
Are you
2025?
serious? Someone asked such a big question. Okay.
मेरे भी sources हैं.
What made you document your life?
Yeah.
Let's break the question down.
What made you document your life online?
Okay. Well, basically, my boss at the time, I was an intern. She was like, let's experiment with TikTok. You know, we're selling this as a service. She would give us challenges every week. And I thought TikTok was cringe. I did have a page on Instagram, but it wasn't doing well. I would put posts like pictures of restaurant reviews.
Okay.
So it was my first boss that inspired me to like just start experimenting with putting myself out there.
ठीक है.
And what was the second question?
How did you evolve into building like a brand out of it?
I've always had a marketing, point of view of everything I look at it.
ठीक है.
I just never thought I wanted to build a brand. I was just making content for fun. And then I
ठीक है.
just started showing.
And you just came out of nowhere with Create with Eamon. इसका mention नहीं किया episode में, but it just clicked in my mind.
My friend helped me come up with the name because my friend also has Create in her name.
Yeah.
And I was freelancing and consulting, and
Yeah.
then we wanted to turn it into having a home. All of my work needed a home for itself. So we came up with Create with Eamon, and I really liked the name of it.
Yeah.
And that's
It's a
where,
cool name.
yeah, it's a fun name, and you can find most of my work, my professional work there.
How did you become a semi-finalist? I think you already told me about it. कि कैसे हुआ था?
Yeah, the process of it.
Yeah, you already like I think you applied for it and
Yes.
Yep. Let me just jump up to the new question. Has there been a turning point in your journey as a content creator where you felt this is what I am meant to do?
I don't
करीब
think.
कर लो.
More closer.
Yeah.
I don't think content. I want to represent myself as being a content creator. It's something I do to like really put myself out there, build my personal branding, and it's like my portfolio. I mean, there are turning points when I worked with Visit Abu Dhabi as a content creator, and I was like, okay, there is real money in this.
Yeah.
There is like real, like people are working with Emirates just because they started off creating content on Instagram.
Yeah.
So like you don't know where and who is watching your content.
Yeah. Acha, you have grown a community over 13K followers.
Yeah.
What's one strategy or mindset that truly worked for you when building your presence online?
So if you collectively combine both platforms, I have 23,000 followers. On TikTok 10 and then Instagram 13,000. But then I really bank on reach. Like last month I had like over 500,000 in reach.
That's insane.
Yeah. So followers are a little bit difficult to increase. So you were saying what strategies I've implemented?
Yeah, I mean, it was like, what's one strategy or mindset that truly worked for you?
Experiment with your content. Don't feel like, why is my content not working? It's not working because probably it's not good. You need to just experiment and keep trying different things.
Yeah. What's been the most challenging part about wearing both hats, being the face of a personal brand and the brain behind a business?
That's really hard because, you don't want to show your clients like that you're spending too much time on your personal page and not on their work. But I feel like it sometimes complements each other because people do go like, okay, she's doing such good work on her personal page. We can see her creativity. She can probably bring this into our work as well.
ठीक है. मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन स्किप करूंगा बिकॉज हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन होने वाला है क्योंकि आई थिंक दिस इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन टू आस्क. If someone wanted to start a marketing agency in Dubai today, what's one piece of real advice you would give them?
Go to as many networking events as you can. They say your net worth is your network. And really just talk about a lot of your work on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
LinkedIn's algorithm is amazing. And you can't start a marketing agency if your own brand presence is not there.
Yeah.
So, yeah, there's just so much I can give out, but I think those would be the top two.
ठीक है. अच्छा, ये सवाल जो आखिरी सवाल होता है हमेशा हर बार मेरी पॉडकास्ट का, आपने एडवाइस देनी होती है यंगस्टर्स को
Yeah.
कि आप की तरह सिमिलरली ग्रो करना चाह रहे हैं, जो जिनके पास कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं है ज़िंदगी में,
Yeah.
वो क्या करें, किस तरह से ग्रो करें? लुक इनटू दैट कैमरा एंड गिव देम द एडवाइस.
Grow in life.
Yep. होता है ना, डायरेक्शन नहीं होता उनके पास कुछ करने का कि मैं क्या करूं यार.
I would say like bank up on your passion. First of all, see what you really like enjoying, whether it's cooking, and then explore courses in that. And yeah, just like, take it up as an interest, see if it can be buildable as a professional, whether it's financially makes sense. And I know a lot of people let go of their passion, but then like it just helps when your passion is your work. So yeah.
Yeah. टाइम आ गया है कि ये एपिसोड का इख्तिताम किया जाए. It was a great shoot. Hopefully इनको काफ़ी नॉलेज मिलेगी, मेरी ऑडियंस को भी. The episode was great. Hope you watch it fully, and if you watch it fully, give me a review about the new logo and also about the episode. बहुत ही मज़े की एपिसोड्स आने वाली हैं, so keep watching the Masala Mic. Thank you so much.
Bye.